Hey guys, so apparently Best Buy ships their products in huge boxes, even though you have really light item or a small item too. So this is from Best Buy. This is the new. Let me grab my knife and open this and talk at the same time. So how you guys doing? Welcome to Minus Two. Welcome to the chamber. Let's see what we have today. This is a new headset by HyperX. It's the Stinger or the Core Stinger Core Edition. This is the 7.1 wireless one. So I'm just gonna open it now. This costs $80. It was out of stock at first, but it's now back on BestBuy.com and HyperX.com. And the reason why I got this instead of the popular, Cloud Alpha is what it's called. I think it's called the regular HyperX Cloud Alpha, whatever, for 130. I got this because it's wireless and it's cheap. And I'm hoping that this should be all you need. I mean, for $80 for everything you need. Let's just give it a test. My first HyperX product, guys. Oh, wow. So this is the box. Nice red HyperX wireless 7.1 new edition Stinger Core. America's #1 selling headset. 2.4 gigahertz with USB dongle, compatible with PC, Cloud Stinger Core. So this is new, guys. They didn't have this one before. I think they had the Cloud Stinger before, but not the Core and 7.1. So this is a new headset for $80. I also have another headset coming, guys, but say that for a different video. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and, of course, quick review and first impressions, just to get a first thoughts if you should buy this. Okay, let's see. Knife. Oh wow, dude, how many tapes do you need? Finally. Okay guys, so here's the headset coming now. What? Okay, tab. Comes like this. Comes in like really cheap packaging, I would say, just in like that. Cloud Stinger Core coming out. Alrighty, first impressions. Plastic holding. Okay guys, this is the headset. Wow, nice and lightweight, very good. Some stickers on the side of it. I like that it's lightweight. I'm gonna take this off but not talk yet because I'm recording with this here. Just give you guys a quick impressions. Okay, pretty lightweight. Wow, yeah, I can wear this. I can wear this for a long time. It's not bulky at all. It looks a little bit big, but it's not heavy at all. It's not the same as this. I mean, definitely comfortable. Wow. Alright guys, so I'm really digging the comfort, which is really key for me. What's the point of having a gaming headset that you can't wear? So these are really, really comfortable. Has nice foam cushion, breathable as well. These are rocking, I think, 40mm speakers. Hopefully they still sound good. Yeah, I like how it's so lightweight. Definitely I'm gonna do a part 2 and actually use the headset now. So stay tuned for that. In the next clip here, this is the USB dongle. So yeah guys, so far so good.
Testing, testing. Okay, guys, I just got into a game. So let's review the main part of buying a gaming headset. Yeah, so far, so good. The sound, I would give it out of 10. I would give it like a 7.5. Only because the bass is really lacking in the bass. Like, there's bass, and it's just really weak. Um, One of the good things that I really noticed is that the soundstage is really good. Really good soundstage. Lows are good, highs are good, mids are good. Um, 1 second. Oh. Bruh, this is a bad review now. I shot him in the kneecap 10 times. Okay, anyways. Oh, same thing happened to me. Yeah, anyways, yeah, this is the mic sound. How does it sound? I think the mic sounds maybe like a 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. It's not, too canny or tinny. Um, that, yeah, so let me know what you think of the mic sound. What else did I say? Oh, soundstage good.
Last player
Good.
standing.
There they are.
Overall, just a really good headset though. I mean, for the price, $80.
One enemy remaining.
All you need is the game. It's an $80 HyperCloud Stinger Core wireless 7.1 headset.
Who are you?
So I definitely would
Copy of
recommend
me?
it. Should I
Where did you
buy,
come from?
1 second. Shoot. All I can afford, guys. So yeah. Footsteps. Hear that? Pretty good. Not as loud as like the Turtle Beach is, but you can still, the 7.1 is still there. And for some reason though, 7.1 sounds better when you have it off. Like the surround sound sounds better when you have it off, which is really weird. Oh wow.
Enemy spotted.
Alright, they're at C.
Spike planted.
Oh wow. What's up, boy? Let's go. No! Damn it! Sorry guys, I'm trying to get into hype
Player
mode and
standing.
just comes out sometimes. But yeah guys, this is a good headset, and I hear the right gun sound from this side because the gun's shooting on the right side. Definitely a good gaming headset. I'll stop now so I can play the game. If you want to watch me guys, follow the links below. Always subscribe if you like for more gaming, tech, collection videos. Feel free to follow me. Let's game, let's talk, and yeah guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, see what else we have next in the chamber. The next headset review is going to be a big one. By big I mean a very expensive one.